Brian, I have to deal with a customer here. How did you get on there putting the Kleenex boxes on the shelves?
Well, Eddie, like, I gave it 110%, you know, smashed through the motor oils rack, and I got tackled by the greeting cards there over beside the HB ice cream. But then what happened was, some of the FHM magazines tried to hold me down, but I smashed them off and gave them a hand to the face.
Yeah, Brian, yeah, we know you give 110%, yeah, but did you put the boxes on the shelves?
Well, actually, no. I couldn't get it together on the day, and to be honest with you, things went against me, and it just didn't happen.
Typical, full of excuses. Here, Caravan is after turning over on the forecourt. Where's Paul O'Connell? Need him to get him to move it.
Alright, Eddie, I'll get him for you. Hang on. Paul, come out of your cage.
Okay, listen very carefully, Paul. Caravan's after turning over in the forecourt. I need you to get out there and move it. Goodbye. We'll feed you Peter Stringer if you do it right. Actually, speaking of which, where is Peter Stringer?
I'm up here. I'm up here on top of the cigarette machine. I've been stuck here for days, Eddie. Get us down. I'm scared of the O'Connell monster.
Here, Peter, make yourself useful, will you?
Sure, boss.
Would you ever climb up Brian O'Driscoll's ass and prove to him once and for all that the sun doesn't shine out of it?
Anything for you.
Mind that mousetrap, Peter. Jesus Christ, why is there petrol all over the forecourt? Fix sake, O'Gara, what are you doing running?
Sorry, Eddie. I've just been trying to put the petrol nozzle into the tanks. Whenever I try, I keep missing the target.
I know what's wrong with you. We were out buying those bloody scratch cards, weren't you?
I was not, Eddie O'Sullivan. I bet you 20 grand I wasn't. Go on, I bet you. Eddie, oh my God, Jesus Christ, the boss is here, Eddie. The boss is looking at you.
Oh, Jesus. How's it going?
Not very well, as it happens, O'Sullivan.
What is it? What is it?
You told me you needed 15 men to do this.